Hello dear learners, we are going to study about astringent in this video. The word astringent is derived from the Latin word astringere, meaning to bind fast. An astringent is a chemical compound which precipitates the protein and shrink or constrict the body tissues and forms a protective layer on the surface. That means they act superficial layer only. They can reduce the local edema, inflammation due to the ability to reduce the cell permeability. Example is tannins and alcohols. They are incorporated in the deodorants and antiperspirants as they can constrict the pores and also can destroy the microbes therein and which produce the bad odor. They also stimulate the growth of new tissues. They are usually applied to the damaged skin topically or to the mucous membrane of GIT including the mouth. The only caution which you have to take during the use of this astringent is that they should be used in low doses. If used in high concentration, they may cause irritation or corrosion at the site of application. But this property can be used to treat the warts. There are various types of astringents. One is vegetable astringents, example is tannic acid, gallic acid. Another is metallic astringents. They are the metal salts like aluminum salts, zinc salts, ferrous salts, strontium chloride, silver nitrate and copper sulfate. Miscellaneous very cold water and alcohol can also act as an astringent. These are used on the swollen or inflamed or leaky tissues. They are used to treat the diarrhea or dysentery. During leukorrhea, they are used to prevent the yellowish or the white discharge, and they are also promoting the healing process. They decrease the sweating and possess the deodorant properties. Mild astringent solutions are used to relieve of the such minor skin irritations which may occur due to the superficial cuts, allergies, insect bites or fungal infections. Let us see the example. Potassium aluminium sulfate. The synonym is potash alum and the molecular formula is KAlSO4 by 2 12H2O with the molecular weight 474.07. Its preparation, it is prepared by adding a concentrated hot solution of potassium sulfate to the hot solution of equimolar proportion of aluminium sulfate. The solution is then concentrated, that means heated for some time and then cooled overnight, and after that we are getting the octahedral crystals which can be easily filtered out. Now the properties of potash alum. It is a colorless transparent crystalline structure which is having the sweet aftertaste. It readily dissolves in water and the solution thus obtained is slightly sweetish in taste. It is acidic in nature and the alum powder solutions turn the blue litmus paper red. On heating, the alum powder changes to the liquid first, and if heated further, it then starts to swell up to form the froths. Alum crystals are found all over the world, but they are mostly found in Andes Mountains in South America, in Bolivia, Argentina and Chile. Its uses, it is used as an aftershave when rubbed on a freshly shaved face. Its astringent property helps to prevent and reduce the bleeding in minor cuts and abrasions. It has strong antibacterial property and hence used as a natural deodorant. It is used as a water purifier in small scale in many houses. It is also found in the toothpaste and tooth powders. Alum acts as an styptic to contact the organic tissues and stop or reduce the hemorrhage and bleeding. These are the various marketed preparations which we are using potash alum. Then the another compound is zinc sulfate. The synonym is white vitriol. Its molecular formula is ZnSO4 7H2O and the molecular weight is 287.53 grams per mole. It is available as anhydrate, monohydrate and heptahydrate forms. When heated over 680 degrees centigrade, it decomposes to sulfur dioxide gas and zinc oxide fumes, and both of these are hazardous to the health. It is reported to form the double salts with potassium and ammonium sulfate. Its properties: it occurs as a white powder or white granular structures. It is odorless. The taste is astringent and metallic. Solubility in water is 57.7 grams per 100 ml at 20 degrees centigrade, and it forms the zinc sulfate which behaves identically. Now various preparations which are available in the market. Its preparation: it is prepared by the specific reaction of the metal with the aqueous sulfuric acid. It can also be prepared by treating highly pure zinc oxide with sulfuric acid. It can also be obtained by heating zinc sulfide, that is zinc blend, in presence of air. Uses: it is used as an astringent in the lotions and eye drops. Zinc sulfate is used as a dietary supplement for treating the zinc deficiency conditions like acrodermatitis. Zinc sulfate also acts as emetics when administered internally. It is used as an electrolyte for zinc plating, as a mordant in the dyeing, and a preservative for the skins and leather. The dose is 0.6 to 2 grams. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed non-metallic containers and protected from moisture. Side effects may include abdominal pain, vomiting, headache, and tiredness. Thank you for listening. We will meet in the next video.